The TNT Katropa are bound for the 2018 Commissioner's Cup quarterfinals as the third seed after dismantling the top-seeded Rain or Shine Elasto Painters attacks 185 Saturday evening at the SMART Araneta Coliseum. TNT will now prepare for a best-of-3 series in the next round against the number 6 team. The sixth spot is still up for grabs among the Magnolia Hotshots, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, and the San Miguel Beermen. It's a no-bearing game for them. So I reminded them at halftime that this has a bearing for us, said TNT head coach Nash Racela. Joshua Smith led the Texters with 25 points and 13 rebounds. Troy Rosario was just a couple of rebounds short from a double-double finish as he collected 19 points, built on 4 triples, alongside 8 boards. Rosario and Smith were responsible for TNT's pullaway for good in the fourth. The two contributed hugely in the Katropa's 12-0 scoring blitz that turned their 8-point cushion to 19 points, 95-74, with 3:47 to go. Ryan Reyes finished with 12 points on top of 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals off the bench. Terrence Romeo returned to TNT after his Gilas Pilipinas stint in the recently concluded third window of the FIBA World Cup Asian qualifiers. He only scored 2 points, but had great impact as he dished out 12 dimes. Jason Castro did not suit up in tonight's game as he was recovering from his Gilas campaign. Import Reggie Johnson led Rain or Shine with 12 points on 4 of 14 shooting from the field and 14 rebounds in the loss. Chris Drew had 11 points, while Maverick Ahinmisi and James Yap chipped in 10 markers apiece. TNT's best-of-3 series against the 6th seed will start on Monday, July 9, 4:30 p.m. still at the Big Dome. The scores: TNT 100, Smith 25, Rosario 19, Reyes 12, Williams 9, Pogoy 8, Semrad 6, Trelano 6, Cruz 5, Garcia 4, Paredes 4, Romeo 2, Tamsi 0, Gala 0. Rain or Shine 85, Johnson 12, Pew 11, Ahinmisi 10, Yap 10, Belga 9, Almaza 9, Nambatak 8, Onwibir 6, Dakwiog 5, Torres 3, Makes 2, Borbran 0, Washington, Ponferrada 0, Norwood 0, Casino 0. Quarter scores: 24-20, 47-39, 76-58, 185.